It's so nice we rented this cabin for the weekend.
It'll be nice to get away.
Yes, it will. Do you? Oh my goodness, this is beautiful!
It is, isn't it? Oh, who could that be?
I don't know. Let's go see.
Oh. Do come in. It's freezing outside.
Okay, I would love to. Cute.
Good evening.
Oh, evening. Name's Thomas.
Sarah.
Thomas.
I'm Bob. Nice to meet you.
You too. Yeah, I was just coming to tell you that there's a flood coming.
No, hadn't heard.
Well, is your generator working?
As far as we know, the lights are on.
Yes. Well, just making sure your generator was working because we wouldn't like another incident like the Williams.
The Williams?
It was a night just like one like this. And Bob William went savage. Killed his wife, Sarah. But as long as your generator's working, you'll be fine. Well, good day.
Thank you for warning us.
No problem.
I'm sure we'll be fine, though.
Good.
Thank you. Well, that was weird.
Yeah.
Well, this meal is delicious.
Yeah.
We booked this.
They said it was available for this weekend.
It's not available.
Oh, well,
Our
obviously
cabin.
it is.
It's our.
Yes, we're staying
You're
here.
cheating us. It's because we're young.
Sarah, could you call the?
I'm gonna go call the camp
authorities. We should call the authorities on you.
Maybe it's just a misunderstanding.
Maybe
it's just like a double booking and it was really supposed to be ours. And
no.
Maybe you're here on the wrong weekend. We should call the people who made this mistake. This is not my mistake.
Honey, the phone lines are dead.
If the phone's not working, we gotta work this out. We gotta work
we
this
need
out.
to get you out of our cabin.
No, we gotta work this out. Maybe you guys can have a different cabin.
You can have a different cabin. We're here already.
Fear will work it out. Oh yeah.
Woo!
You're looking sad. Yeah. Oh, this one's tempting. No. Here you go. This is what you need. It's gonna cheer you right up.
Okay.
Drink it.
You know who you remind me of? Billy Tudors! I dated him in high school. This stuff is so good.
Sarah, I'm disappointed in you. This is our anniversary.
Yeah.
And then what?
So it's your anniversary? That's so sweet. Phil, you're in college. Must be so free. What the hell is that?
Oh.
Who the hell are you?
Come on, sweetie. It's over. Come on. Oh, let's get up. Over here, baby.
So boring.
No. So what's wrong?
They killed him! They killed Roy!
Who's Roy? Tell me who Roy is. I'm sure he's just fine.
Bob, what is it?
Alright, Sarah. Oh my god, he's been strangled!
That's my scar! It's Bobby! Wake up! I have to go calm down! What happened? Oh my god!
I don't know.
What happened? She okay?
Oh my god. She's dead.
No! It's another one! Can we move her? The dead body really fucks up the feng shui of the room.
I don't know. Seems a little... Yeah, I think you're right. I'm gonna just get this out of here first. It's gonna be hard to pull her.
Come on, let's get her to the bedroom.
Yeah. That's the best place.
She's so heavy. She's stuck on the door. Help.
This isn't a funny situation.
It's fucking funny.
Let's not break her neck too, okay? We don't want to be accused of anything. Is that good? That's good.
That's good.
Okay.
I think we should move the body into the other bedroom because where will I sleep tonight?
Alright, Sarah,
Good
we'll do
point.
that.
You want that? No, scarf there.
On his legs.
Nice scarf.
My scarf. Fucking college student. Ah! God. Yes, Christ. Who's that? Who's there? Oh! Oh my goodness. Oh my god.
Nothing too.
Oh
No.
She's been stabbed!
it's the missing knife. Oh god.
What do we do? What do we do?
We gotta get him
Sarah?
out of here.
Okay.
I need to take a shower in the morning.
Okay. Let's take him out first.
Okay.
Sorry you had to see this, Sarah.
It's fine.
Alright. It's okay, Sarah. We'll get through this.
No. Everyone's dead. Except for us.
It's okay.
And if I didn't kill him, then you did.
No! Sarah!
You're a killer.
Never! Never!
No, stay away from me!
No! No!
Ah!
Sarah, come back!
Wait. No.
You're dead. Okay, Sarah, I'm gonna take you inside. It's okay. Okay. Where's that guy? Where'd he go? He's gone. But how are you alive? No! No! Keep away from me! No! No! Oh! No! No, not that! No! Not the fireplace! That was one crazy trip. Well, Sarah, I think it's so good.
You can't do it. You can't do it.
Okay, one more.
Tika has a package.
I gotta take.
It's a washcloth. In case you're wondering, she's a man.
In
Mr. William.
Fuck you! You suck!
They were renting a cabin. Gay.
Action!
Bloody fucking action!
God damn it, you guys!
What are they doing?
Seriously, what are you guys doing?
I don't know, we're waiting till
We said action like 4 times. I know.
You did a double booking.
Currently very disturbed. You can't do that to me. You violated.
Action. Action.
Dude, you don't have me in your arms yet.
Okay, almost action.
Action.
How? You're alive.
You're laughing.
No.
Sorry, that was really unenthusiastic. No.
Really, but it's in there.
Fuck. I'm sorry. I can do this. Don't laugh. You're dead.